Hare Krishna. Bhishma Panchaka Vrata. One should start on the Ekadashi and end on Purnima, last day of Kartik Maas. Whoever performs this Bhishma Panchaka Vrata, he gets the benefit of following whole Chaturmasya Vrata. He gets the benefit of whole Kartik Maas. But when we are performing this Vrata, we should be serious enough to complete it. At the same time, we should be secret. We should maintain that secret of performing this Vrata. Secret and serious. On the Ekadashi day, by remembering Bhishma Pitamaha, we should start this Bhishma Panchak Vrata. We should not eat grains, pulses, beans on these 5 days. There are 3 levels of following this Bhishma Panchaka Vrata. Level 1, one should eat only one time in the evening time. If at all candidate is eating grains, he should eat only once in a day. That is also in the evening day. He can consume milk, water, fruit juices. The best is one should avoid eating grains, pulses, beans. Type 2. One can take Panchagavya. So these are the Panchagavya items. I am giving the list. First day one should eat Gomaya. Little bit Gomaya means cow dung. Second day he should drink cow urine, Gomutra. Third day he should drink cow milk, Kshira. Fourth day he can take cow yogurt, Dahi. And fifth day he can take all the products mixed. That is called Panchagavya. Little bit in the evening time. This is a level 2 of Bhishma Panchaka Vrata. Bhishma Panchaka Vrata level 3. In this level 3, one can take fruits and roots, but he should avoid fruits with many seeds like pomegranates, guava, cucumber. He can take vegetables like potatoes, sweet potato, carrot, like that. Raw banana he can take. He should avoid milk products. One can take resins. This is the third level of Bhishma Panchaka Vrata. And the 2 one time we should eat in a day. Mostly one should spend his time in chanting, hearing the glories of the Lord and service to the Lord. Hare Krishna.